The scarf. Anina liked knitting. She made a scarf. Anina's mom helped her. The scarf was long and warm. "It's a good scarf," said Anina. Biff and Chip came to play. It was a cold day. Anina put on her scarf. "What a cold day," she said. Biff looked at Anina's scarf. "What a long scarf," she said. "I made it," said Anina. "I couldn't stop knitting." The children went to the park. They went to the pond. The pond was frozen. It had ice on it. Some children ran up. They pulled Anina's scarf. "Stop it!" shouted Anina. "Stop it!" shouted Anina's mom. A boy went on the ice. The ice was dangerous. "Get off!" shouted Anina's mom. "The ice is not safe." Anina's mom couldn't get the boy. She couldn't go on the ice. Everyone was frightened. "Help!" shouted the boy. Anina had a good idea. She took off her scarf. "Make a rope," she said. Anina's mom made a rope. She made it out of scarves and coats. She threw it to the boy. Everyone pulled the rope. They pulled the boy out of the pond. The boy was safe. "Hooray!" shouted Anina. "I am sorry," said the boy. "Thank you." "Ice is dangerous," said Anina. Anina looked at her scarf. "I'm glad I made it long," she said. The end.